Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and so here we are in Torrance, California. It's gonna start raining any second, but I wanted to show you this really unique, special permaculture garden here in Torrance, California. So the very first thing I want to show you is that this was actually just grass. We tore all the grass out just a few days ago, and we replaced it with DG. We replaced it with these step stones. Sarah Saxenberg designed this permaculture garden. Fruit trees were already here, but we dressed them up with some beautiful cobbles right here. There's one there, there's one over there. We actually installed actually several, 3 planter boxes. The homeowners here didn't want to have to bend over and have a sore back after gardening, so this is small enough, or should I should say tall enough, that they can practically sit here and just tend to their garden. We put micro sprays on here for irrigation purposes, and when it rains, we actually wanted to catch some of the rain to allow for groundwater recharge, help save the oceans. So when it rains, it falls on the roof, comes down here. We actually installed an eco-rain box down here that'll hold plenty of water and provide for groundwater recharge. So at least if everybody did that, it would save millions of gallons of water from polluting the ocean. Okay, and then back here we've got the vegetable boxes. These were actually in the ground, the blueberry bushes. We pulled them up, put acid soil in the pots, and then put them down. In the pots, we have 5 pots total, so these should do real well because of the acid soil. In California, it's not good to plant blueberry bushes because we have alkaline soil and they need acid soil because of where they're from on the East Coast. So to make a long story short, they should have bumper crops here. Over here we have the timer, the Rainbird timer. We have the Rainbird valves over here. We've got another box over here. And let me turn on the irrigation so you can get an idea of what this looks like. So there it is. I've turned it on. And these are adjustable micro sprays, and they actually do come out of the ground. You can move the stake wherever you want. It's a great little system, and then if I wanted to, I could actually turn them all the way off, or check this out. I can turn it all the way off, or I can turn it, whoa, it's way too much. So they're adjustable. So it's a little hybrid system we put here, micro sprays, we call it. But we just planted Swiss chard, I think romaine lettuce here, over there, Swiss chard, and then fava beans. Fava beans are nitrogen fixers. They actually pull nitrogen in from the soil. Let me turn this off because it's going to rain in a bit. So the fava beans actually pull nitrogen in from the atmosphere, push it into the ground. So when you harvest the fava beans, you cut the plant to the ground, don't take the roots out. Roots have little nodules in them that are pure nitrogen. So you plant in there and it's nature's nitrogen, which is the perfect balance. Unlike the stuff you buy at the stores, you have NPK, they have different values. You don't have that. Nature always has the perfect values. We do have a little thing we installed up here called a rain sensor. So when it rains, this rain sensor will actually, it has little filters in it. When it gets wet, it puffs out, it shuts the system down, the Rainbird system, so it won't water. And then when it dries out after a couple of days, then it tells the Rainbird system go on and start watering again. So just an idea of what you can do if you have a tiny backyard. We live in the South Bay of Los Angeles, they call it the South Bay area, Hermosa, Redondo, Manhattan. People have tiny backyards. You can do amazing things. We'll do another video someday once things start growing in. We just planted it. We just got done today. So I want to show you what this place can look like, how amazing it will look in just a couple of months. Mike with Enviroscape LA. When you think of foodscaping and permaculture and sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.